Here it comes. Literally. Raining in sheets. Our first time in Poteau, Oklahoma. Love it. Good weather.
Wash all the dirt off the car.
Dirt on the car? Why is there dirt on the car?
Because we went down a dirt road.
Fine, we won't go to waterfalls down dirt roads anymore, right?
No.
No, okay, so dirt's okay.
Yes.
Well, we fix to get washed off under this overhang.
That's why I was earlier out here when it was coming the other way. You could watch it come in through the windows over there, but I wasn't getting wet because we're protected by the staircase.
I bet.
We're protected over here.
I bet if you got down this alleyway here. It's coming a flood. Water building. Which is okay. There's a nice spot just about 20 minutes south of here that's fixing to get it too. We got plans on. It's supposed to have a waterfall, and it got some good rain from Laura, but not enough. I think it's going to get enough. Water. Some water. I'd really like to see this do this for a little while. The reason being, I don't know if you see it in the video, but there is a drainage area right behind that sign with a good old rock ledge. If it rains hard enough, at some point it has several times because there's a V-notch in it, you may get a 6 to 8 foot waterfall flowing off the side of that hill. We'll see what happens. It is coming down.